continues to move beyond its basketball foundation, embracing global sport influences that now shape both performance and lifestyle designs. A strong example of this direction is the Jordan Spizike Low Brazil, a release that captures the spirit of Brazilian football culture through bold color storytelling. The mix of yellow, blue, and green accents creates a vibrant yet balanced look that stands out without feeling overwhelming. Material construction plays a key role in its appeal. The quilted mesh collar enhances airflow and comfort, making it suitable for extended wear. A suede heel counter adds structure and delivers a premium touch that elevates the overall design. Pattern pull tabs provide convenience while reinforcing the Brazil-inspired theme through subtle detailing. The upper combines synthetic and leather materials, offering durability and reliable support for everyday use. Underfoot, a rubber outsole ensures steady traction across various surfaces. Expected to release in summer 2026 at $165, this pair blends heritage, comfort, and global influence into one refined package.